The Manchester United pack. You weren't expecting that one, was you, guys? Bosh. Have some of that. Ten Hag in forever. In forever, guys. Anyway, big up to everyone who is locked in. United fans' tears. Not quite sure why they're all Ten Hag out. I mean, they've been telling Arsenal fans to trust the process all over their channels. So, I don't know. Ten Hag out titles left, right, and centre. Trust the process. Trust the process, lads. FC20, you know. Wow. I got Baked Beanhead on my screen right now. Man, like Ten Hag. What a manager, mate. 2 trophies in 2 seasons. I mean, come on. That's decent. I can't lie. That's not bad. Anyway, enough of taking the mick. We can do that another time. But make sure you are smashing the like button up. Make sure you are sub to the channel. And make sure you check out Kenny, Jez, and Matty's fan cams. Big up to everyone who locked into the watch along. We had a nice, easy night watching the Arsenal. This was easy. It didn't start easy. Calafiori giving the ball away. And they very nearly scored from it. And they probably should have scored from it. They then had another half chance just before it. We blocked, broke up the pitch, and Nichols put a ball in, air shot from the defender or midfielder, I think he was. Man like Declan Rice is back to Rice settings, guys. Back to Rice settings, and it's amazing what happens when you shoot from outside the box, guys. You can actually score. Well done, Deckers. Bosh. Then after that, they should have had a penalty. Gabby Jesus. Oh dear, oh dear. We're going to talk about Gabby Jesus in a minute. My Lord. Oh my God. Oh my God. Anyway, he fouls the geezer in the penalty box, and luckily for him and for Arsenal, there's no VAR in the League Cup in the early rounds. So we got away with that one. And all of the channels that have been out there this week saying, robbed Arsenal. Arsenal were cheated again. Cheated Arsenal. Let's see if they talk about Bolton. Robbed Bolton. Because they want consistency, these people. I see all of these people that are sitting out there. We just want consistency with the referees. We just want the consistency. Okay. We want consistency then. That applies to Bolton tonight then as well, right? Real talk. Am I lying? If you want consistency, how comes nobody's mentioned the Brighton versus Nottingham Forest game the other day? Where was the consistency in that? But Arsenal's the story, isn't it? Arsenal's the trendy one at the minute. Talk about Arsenal, treble your views. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Anyway, after that, we then got the second goal. Lovely little pass from Lewis Skelly. Raheem the Dream. Whippage. And man like Ethan Ruff scoring on his debut, his full first start for the club. Well, it's not his debut, but it's his first start for the club. And slid in. Boom. We're 2-0 up. 2-0 up at half time. And I'm like, okay, cool. Raheem had a couple of chances to get the ball in. He actually played well tonight. And we'll get to that in a sec. But he put a nice cross in. There was a chance where we had a few little half chances before we even scored. But second half, we came out with intent. Came out with intensity. Yeah, and we absolutely walloped them second half. I know they scored. Yeah, the way that geezer sat the keeper down was crazy, by the way. But again, I don't think he'll probably play another game this season. But apart from a pass out to their player, and apart from getting sat down for that, I actually thought he'd done all right. Again, a debut for the lad. But let's go through player by player, because we walloped him. It was comfy. The draw is going to be done probably as I wrap this watch along, as I wrap this fan cam up and get on to Kenny. So I am doing an emergency meeting because I want to know who we got, and we're going to talk about that. We're going into a bit more depth on the game as well. So make sure you come and check that out in 45 minutes, 40 minutes or so after the fan cams are uploaded. But goalkeeper, like I said, he weren't bad. I can't lie. Yeah, he looks tiny in goal, but that's because he's 16, bruv. He's just turned 16 as well in July. Imagine walking out at the Emirates, yeah, to an almost packed stadium, and you're playing in goal for Arsenal. Just turned 16. Mad. Fair play to him. I'm sure he would have wanted to keep a clean sheet. I wanted to keep a clean sheet. However, that didn't go to plan. California, cauliflower. Every time I've watched this guy so far this season, he's been rubbish. Real talk. I know he scored a screamer the other day, and fair play, that was a bad boy goal. Defensively in that game, he was awful, even with that dirty low block. Tonight, I thought he was poor as well. Yeah, he gave the ball straight to them in the first couple of minutes. They should have scored. Yeah, and if the geezer had actually gone down when he pushed him off balance, he probably would have got a penalty. Instead, he back-heeled it and they spanked it over the bar. Yeah, but he was very, very poor. Very poor. Yeah, and this is why I don't gas up players just like that when I don't watch that league. Yeah, everyone's an expert on all of these players off of highlights reels and compilations and top gooners around the world, telling us that these players are amazing when they don't watch them. Yeah, how about let's see what they do for our club? And so far, he's flattered to deceive. He has been very, very poor, out of position all the time. Even when he came on against Aston Villa, just running around like a headless chicken in that game, gave the ball away a few times. Against Spurs, not impressed either, really. I know we got the win, but no, he needs to fix up. Let's go to Kivior. Scrub, another one. He needs to leave. Not good enough, mate. Bye-bye. Real talk, you're not good enough. Yeah, if you might be backup, and I get you're a backup centre-back and all that. Not good enough for Arsenal, even at backup. Sorry. Not good enough. Didn't matter today, to be fair. Anyway, let's go to Nichols. Right back. First 20 minutes, he was all over the gaff. Everyone was just running around him, rushing around the lights, 60k in the stadium. Boom, 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 boom. He was like, whoa, fastest game of football he's ever played in his life. However, after that, I thought he was brilliant. I thought he was really, really good. And well done to him. What a debut. Yeah, same with the goalkeeper. I know he conceded, like I said, but all of them youngsters, well done to every single one of them. Well done to them. The other side, Lewis Skelly, obviously. For all you pre-cum assist merchants, he got a pre-cum assist for the Ethan goal. And I thought he did very well tonight. You could just tell he's composed on the ball, left foot, right foot. There was an instance where in the second half, if that was Zinchenko, there was a chance in the second half. He brought the ball down. There was two players around him, nobody else near him, yeah, Arsenal-wise. So he was trying to look for the pass. Now, he could have just shanked it out of play, give him a throw-in, reset, just hoof it up the pitch. Instead, he brought the ball down, just controlled, chilled, and then he won a free kick. Yeah, he moved around, boom, 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 free kick. Very well, very well. Very impressed with him tonight. And yeah, he did very well on his day first start, should I say. That might actually be his debut. Oh no, he came on the other day. Sorry, my bad. It's his first start. The midfield, both of them. Declan Rice obviously scored. Nice finish, lovely goal. And Jorginho. Yeah, I thought he played well today. I thought both of them were brilliant today. Yeah, standing ovation for Rice when he came off. Yeah, Jorginho put some lovely crosses into the box, just dictated the tempo, slowed it down. Him and Rice, yeah, they worked very well today. Rice was the more of the aggressor and he was the calming one. And listen, I'm not going to get carried away. It is only Bolton. Yeah, with all due respect to Bolton, but they are 19th in League One. So, confidence boost for them, definitely. On the right wing, Bukayo Saka, obviously, a lot of people were up in arms going, why is he playing? Why is he playing? He played because he only played 45 minutes the other day. And well done to Super Duper Mick, yeah, because he realised, yo, cool. Yeah, cool. Yeah, let's get him off now. Let's get him off. Yeah, and this is what I want to see in these cup competitions. I want to see mix and match. Yeah, I understand we've got a lot of big games. It's a long season, all of that, and they're obviously putting this at the bottom of the trophies to try and win this season. I understand it. I get it. Yeah, not that I totally agree with it all the time. Then I don't. I want to win something, whether it's this or whether it's the league. I don't really care. I'd rather the league, obviously, because we ain't won one for so long. However, we ain't won that cup for 31 years. Just win something, mate. Go for all of it. And a mix and match squad tonight, I thought was a good idea. I was impressed with that. But yeah, Saka, I thought he played well. It started off a little bit iffy, but then after that, I thought he was decent, very decent. Yeah. In the second half, he was unreal. On the other side, Raheem the Dream. Everyone knows my thoughts on Raheem. Can't stand him. Don't rate him. Think he's a scrub. However, clip this. I thought he was outstanding tonight. Yeah, I thought he was absolutely quality tonight. Maybe he's found his level. I don't know. However, yeah, he was absolutely brilliant. The crosses he was putting into the box today were finding them target. Yeah, one chance he had where he was offside Excuse me. That food I just had after that watch long. I shouldn't have ate it so quick. Mad acid reflux, man. But yeah, there was one where he should have stayed on side. And it always winds me up when a player don't stay on side, when they can see all the way down the line of players of defense. Winds me up. Other than that, I thought he was brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Yeah, up front. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Gabriel Jesus, you need to leave, mate, immediately. Yeah, this guy is a scrub. He's no good, lads. Not good enough. Not good enough. You need to leave the club immediately. And if this is what we're dealing with when he's getting bodied off the ball by League One defenders, then good luck. Good luck, guys. 29 when he came on, I thought he played well. Yeah, got a goal. Yeah, I thought he played very well. Martinelli, again, another one. You can leave, bro. Real talk. You can leave. There was a chance where he broke down the left wing. And he had 2 or 3 options. We're on a counter attack. He stops and then just spanks it straight off the defender, straight out for a corner. Brain dead. Sorry, mate. It's time to go. Yeah, the rest of them played all right. Maldini came on. I was waiting for a Maldini bullet header off a corner. That never come to fruition, but I thought he looked all right. Yeah, didn't have a great deal to do. Gabriel, obviously, we know what we're getting with Gabriel. And Cabia came on as well. I actually thought we did all right tonight. It wasn't the most scintillating, scary, dangerous game tonight, but we did what we had to do, and they had a good go at it. They just weren't good enough. If they'd got their 2 penalties that they probably should have had, because Jorginho put his hands up right by his face, it bounced off his hands, and then they spanked the shot over the bar. They should have had 2 penalties in that game. Yeah, totally different game. If they score in the first couple of minutes when Calafiori gives them the ball, totally different game. Maybe we're just raise the intensity and off we go. But the star of the show today was Ethan Nwaneri, and I always get his surname wrong, so I'm calling him Ethan from now. His name's Ethan, bruv. Ethan. So yeah, well done to him, and a good little warm up for the weekend game. We've rested a few players. Obviously, Saliba didn't play. Yeah, some of the others didn't play as well. But easy night, really. Unlucky United. Unlucky, guys. It ain't easy. Anyway, bless up to all of you lot. Leave your comments down below. Check out the fan cams after this. Kenny, Jez, Matty, and the emergency meeting will be straight after. By then, we'll know who we've got in the draw for the next round. We're out of here. Cronky.